Hello, and welcome to the microtraining video on the Python learning path in Code Commons. To get there, first we must navigate to Code Commons, which you can do from your portal homepage. Simply click the Code Commons charm. This will bring you to the Code Commons homepage. You will click Learning Path up at the top, and you will see our two learning paths on the sidebar here. So, what are the learning paths? The learning paths on Code Commons are designed to be bite-sized, incremental lessons to get new users up to speed on Spark and our Databricks environment. We have two of them, Python and R. They are largely the same thing, but this video is going to be on Python. So we can look at the lessons here. We begin the Python learning path with the basics of Python, and then we jump right into the Databricks utilities library, which is not a lesson specifically on Python or Spark, but it is a library that we need to use to do a lot of tasks within our Databricks environment. Then we jump right into the good stuff with Python and PySpark. We first talk about data frames within Python, and then we begin manipulating these data frames, first with column operations, so creating new columns, renaming existing columns. Then we talk about row operations, such as filtering, sorting, and deduplicating rows. Then we work with missing data, and then we move right into data aggregation, so that's working with group by statements. We talk about tabulating data, joining data, and then finally, data visualization. Soon we're going to have a lesson here on additional topics that you might be interested in, but keep an eye out for those as they are not yet ready. So thank you for watching. Good luck on your Python journey, and I will see you in the next video.